Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to Attic Trains 769. And today we'll be talking about MTH model 20-2266-1 CSX AC 6670. Now, this isn't going to be really a review on this one. This one is my most high mile engine on the layout. It has over 2 million miles on it. I'm serious, it's got over 2 million miles on it. I'll include a clip later in the video here of the mileage on my DCS controller. But if you enjoy this video, please leave a like, hit that little bell for the more notifications, and subscribe down below. Alright, but today we're talking about the AC 6000 here, my most high mile engine on the layout. This engine was released in the 2000 Volume 3 MTH Premier Catalog. It was delivered on January 2001. AC 6000s were built by the Diesel Electric Company between 1995 and 2001, and most examples were purchased by the Union Pacific and CSX Railroad. I purchased this engine in April of 2022 of this year at the TCA show in York, Pennsylvania for the Eastern York Division, and picked it up for a little bit of nothing. The guy didn't know how many miles were on it. I didn't know how many miles were on it until I got home. I mean, it's not perfect. It's a good runner. It's got its flaws there. You can see the little wires sticking out of the side there. It's got some chips out of the shell on the left side of the shell over there. It's not perfect by all means, but it's in pretty great condition and running condition for having 2 million miles on it. So I thought you guys would be interested in seeing that. Like I said, I got the mileage on my controller that I'll stitch a video in here of the mileage, but I will show you guys right here, right now. But I will stitch another video in here. Let's get this thing fired up here real quick so you guys can hear her, see what she sounds like. And she fires right up. Just like she was brand new. Now, one thing I did notice, the ditch lights are out on it. The ditch lights are supposed to come on when you blow the horn, but the ditch lights are out, so that's one bummer about it, but you get what you get. So we'll get some videos here of it running, and yeah, we'll go from there. We'll be back in a minute with another view of it running. Here is my over 2 million mile engine. If you don't believe me, here, CSX AC 6000. The number continues. I don't know how to scroll it over, but it's over 2 million miles. So I figured I'd include this clip in the video here so you guys can see that I'm not messing with you guys. That's for this train right here. what do you think? She didn't run too bad for having 2 million miles on her. So if you like this video, please make sure to comment in the comment section below and like it if you'd like to see more content like this. We have a new series coming out here in the near future, maybe sometime possibly this week, maybe next week. A couple part series about building layouts for anybody that wants to see bench work and doing modeling work on the layout. We're going to have that here for you. So let me know if you'd like to see that. I've been throwing this idea around in my head for a little bit, so I wanted to get your guys' feedback and see what you guys want to see. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell to keep notifications on for you so you can get more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.